In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to practice auto layout with me. How to use auto layout. Figma 2025. First, open your project in Figma. Give it a moment to load and take a quick look at your canvas so you know where everything is. If you're working in an existing file, it helps to zoom in on the section you want to tidy up. Auto layout works best when you're clear about which pieces belong together, like buttons in a toolbar, items in a list, or elements inside a card. Next, highlight your elements. Click and drag to select the items you want to organize, or select them from the Layers panel if that's easier. Make sure you're only selecting elements that should live together in a single container. If you accidentally include items that don't belong, auto layout will bring them into the same frame, which might shuffle things in ways you don't expect. Now right-click your selection and choose auto layout. Instantly, Figma will wrap those elements into a new frame with auto layout applied. You'll notice they line up in a direction, usually vertical by default, with consistent spacing between them. This is where the magic starts. Your layout becomes responsive to content changes, so if text grows or shrinks, the frame adapts without you manually nudging layers around. With auto layout applied, look to the right side of the interface. You'll see the auto layout section in the Properties panel. This panel mirrors what you just did and gives you control over how the layout behaves. Here you'll find options like direction, which sets whether items flow vertically or horizontally, spacing between items, which keeps items evenly separated, padding, which adds room inside the container, and alignment, which controls how items sit within the frame. These settings don't add new steps, they simply describe and refine how auto layout arranges your selected elements. Feel free to explore this feature. Try adjusting spacing to see how your layout breathes. Change the direction to switch from a column to a row and watch your content reflow. Play with padding to give your design more or less white space. Alignment helps you keep everything consistent, especially if items have different widths or heights. If something looks off, it's often a simple tweak in the right panel. And remember, auto layout is non-destructive, so you can adjust, reorder, or remove elements without starting over. That's all you need to get started. Open your project, highlight your elements, apply auto layout with a right click, and use the right side panel to understand and refine what you see. Enjoy practicing and let auto layout do the heavy lifting while you focus on great design.